What's up, J-Rods? Welcome to my next video. Well, guys, today I'm going to change the stereo out of my RZR. I got a different stereo, bought one in Walmart for $100. Right now the stereo that it has, the volume knob doesn't work, so I'm going to change that. ¿Qué rollo, raza? Bienvenido a mi nuevo video. Ahorita vamos a cambiar el estéreo a mi RZR. El estéreo que tiene no sirve el volumen, so lo voy a cambiar para oír cómo se oyen las bocinas. Excuse me, guys, I just got out of work, so I know look fresh. Let's get to it, guys. Here's the stereo. There it is. Let's get it. Está, guys, ahorita vamos a cambiar el estéreo. Es el estéreo que tiene aquí está. Se me hace que es el mismo. I think it's the same stereo that it has. Into the box, Joseph. So we're gonna change the stereo here and see how it sounds. I'm in my garage, guys, so it's still raining here in California. You can hear the rain. Shh, quiet. Shh, listen.
Got him! Got him!
So we're gonna change, like I said, the stereo. It's right here. Right here. Looks the same. Like I said, $100 at keep saying Walgreens for some reason. Walmart. It has dual phone connection, music mix, time adjustment on that is 13 band EQ, compatible with Android, remote app, Bluetooth, iPod, USB. That's all I need. I wanna see how these speakers sound. I haven't had the chance to raise up the volume. So my son's gonna help me. Say hi, puppy.
Hi.
He's gonna help me change them.
Yo!
There it is, guys. I already took off the stereo. Ya quité el estéreo, raza. Está bien sucio esta madre. Mira cómo está. Todo polveado. It's all dusty. So that's how the stereo looks. I thought it was the same, but it's not. This one looks better. Kenwood, it's the same brand as my speakers. It's all dusty. So hopefully it's a easy install real quick. Just plug and play. Let's get to it. All right, my son's gonna help me open the stereo here. Okay, go ahead.
Need some.
Oh, I don't think we need that.
Yeah, we need it. This is heavy.
Okay, so I think we need these. Hopefully I can use the one that has already. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there.
Look at this thing.
Right here.
Hey, this thing is clean. Look at this.
Looks the same. Don't know what this is. I don't think I need it.
Open it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the stereo. Aquí está el estéreo.
It's clean.
It looks pretty clean. So I was just saying, hopefully I can use the same connectors.
Yeah, we can just clean this up.
This one has more. I don't know.
And we just clean this up, and we should just send it. Yeah?
I don't know what shit.
gonna be super hard.
Well, let's see if we can get it, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we ran into a problem. This one only has 2 for the speakers. This thing has 4 speakers, so the 2 in the front and then the 2 in the back. This stereo here, I don't think it's gonna work, so I'm gonna return it or go to an actual stereo shop and buy another one. As you can see, this one has 4.
Yeah, that one has 4 and that one has 2.
So it's not gonna work. So
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. What is it?
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
And make sure to subscribe.
And what?
Make sure to subscribe.
And what else?
Make sure to subscribe and comment.
And comment, what else?
And like this button.
There you go. Give it a comment, subscribe, and like. You good? All right. So stay tuned. We're gonna have to do this. It's just dirty. I haven't washed it for a while. I know I gotta clean it. Full of dust.
Stay tuned.
So stay tuned, guys. No va a servir este estéreo. Este nomás tiene 2. Y esta estéreo de aquí tiene 4 conexiones. 2 para las bocinas de frente y 2 para las bocinas de atrás. Entonces no va a servir este estéreo. Voy a tener que comprar otro y cambiarlo. So it's not gonna work. So alright, guys, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Today is the second day that we'll be finishing the stereo. Y un primo me dijo que podía comprar esas cosas de aquí para conectar el estéreo. So, y mi primo me dijo que estas conexiones son para el amplificador, no son para bocinas. This connection here is for the amp, not for the speakers. So I misspoken. These here, as you can see, has the plug-in for the stereo. If you guys remember in the video, it was only 2, and then once I connect it, I have 2 exits. So I have 2 of these, so it'll be the 4 that I need, which is the 4 here. So let's connect it. I should be able to use the same harness right here, and let's finish this up. All right, guys, I had to cut this piece here because it didn't fit the new stereo. So I cut all the wires. And what I had to do is connect every single wire for the speakers one at a time. And I use tape just because I'm not gonna worry about it. You know, I'm gonna just tape it up here and that's it, call it a day. So still working on it. Here's a new plug for the stereo. So let's continue getting the install.
Mucho más tarde.
All right, guys, finally finished installing the stereo. There it is. Had some technical difficulties. I connected some of the wires incorrectly while I was cutting them and burned one of the fuses.
Estás bien pendejo. Bien pendejo.
One of my cousins and a good friend of mine helped me through FaceTime and get it done. But there it is. You can see, car's done. So guys, really like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if I'm on the right track, if you guys are enjoying the videos. I try to make them interesting and somewhat funny, but for the most part, I try to edit best as I can. So again, like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. We out.